Good afternoon. Today we have the Sanyo Plus Q25. Semi-automatic. You put the needle on the record and listen to the music. Push reject and you're done. Of course, when it gets to the end of the record, it does that automatically. Nice clear dust cover with light scratches. The hinges work, as you can see. Pretty silver face with wood tone around it all the way. The only flaw is right here. It plays at 33 great. The 45 button sticks. It doesn't work more than it works. So if you're big into playing 45s, this may not be the turntable for you. The Q button on this one it is not dampening at all. It goes the exact speed at which you lower it. See? Boom, 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 boom. What I meant to say is it's not missing any dampening fluid. It's just the way it was made. I want to show you in the record here, return. The cartridge is an Audio Technica, what is it, 2002. Stylus looks good on it. It's not a new stylus, but it still sounds good. And there she goes. Thank you very much.